Hello and welcome back to What Is, the channel where we break down the big, the small, and the downright mind-boggling into bite-sized, understandable chunks. Today, we're looking up. Way up. We're talking about satellites. Now, when you hear satellite, you might picture a sleek, silver object zipping around Earth, broadcasting your favorite TV shows or telling your GPS exactly where to turn. So you don't end up in a cul-de-sac for the third time this week. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. But the word satellite itself is a bit broader than that. In its most basic sense, a satellite is anything that orbits another, larger object. Think of our own moon. It's a natural satellite, gracefully circling our planet. So, when we talk about artificial satellites, we're essentially talking about man-made objects that we've sent into space to orbit Earth, or other planets, or even the Sun. Now, how did we get here? To the point where we're launching thousands of these things into orbit, like cosmic commuters. Well, it all goes back to a little thing called the space race. The mid-20th century was a time of intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. A competition fueled by, let's be honest, a healthy dose of paranoia and a burning desire to prove who had the superior rocket technology. And, bragging rights. The Soviets, with their Sputnik 1 launch in October 1957, really kicked things off. Imagine the shock. A small, beeping metal sphere suddenly circling the Earth. It was like a tiny, persistent reminder that someone else might have better toys. Sputnik was primarily a scientific experiment, designed to test the feasibility of putting objects into orbit and to study the upper atmosphere by analyzing radio wave propagation. But its impact was immense. It was the harbinger of a new era. The United States, spurred on by Sputnik's success and perhaps a touch of embarrassment, ramped up its own efforts. The following year, 1958, saw the launch of Explorer 1, America's first artificial satellite. This little guy was actually designed to do some science too. It carried instruments that discovered the Van Allen radiation belts, a crucial finding in understanding Earth's magnetic field. From those early, groundbreaking missions, the world of satellites exploded, both literally and figuratively. We went from simple beeping spheres to complex machines packed with sophisticated technology. So, what do these things do for us now? It's a pretty long list, actually. Let's start with communication. Those satellite dishes you see on houses and buildings. They're often talking to satellites in space that bounce signals around the globe. This is how we get satellite TV, allowing you to watch your local news even if you live in the middle of nowhere or catch that obscure documentary your uncle is obsessed with. It's also how we get satellite internet, bringing broadband to remote areas where laying cables would be about as practical as teaching a cat to juggle. Then there's navigation. GPS, that magical system that guides your car, your phone, and even your hiking boots, relies on a network of about 30 satellites. They constantly send signals down, and your receiver calculates your position based on how long it takes those signals to arrive. It's a marvel of timing and trigonometry, and it's saved countless people from asking for directions. Or, more likely, from getting hopelessly lost. Speaking of getting lost, imagine trying to map the entire Earth without them. Before satellites, mapping was a painstaking, often dangerous process. Now, with Earth observation satellites, we can monitor our planet in incredible detail. They help us track weather patterns, predict storms, saving lives, and preventing a lot of last-minute vacation cancellations. Monitor deforestation, track ice caps melting, and even spot illegal fishing operations. They give us a bird's eye view, quite literally, of our changing world. And it's not just about Earth. Satellites are our eyes and ears in the solar system and beyond. We have telescopes like Hubble, orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, giving us crystal clear views of distant galaxies and nebulae, revealing the universe in all its breathtaking glory. And we have probes sent to other planets, equipped with instruments to analyze their atmospheres, search for water, and send back incredible images. While technically spacecraft and not always satellites in the sense of orbiting Earth, their existence and purpose are deeply intertwined with the satellite revolution. From the simple beep of Sputnik to the complex data streams we receive today, satellites have fundamentally changed our lives and our understanding of the universe. They are our communication links, our navigators, our observers, and our window to the cosmos. They're a testament to human ingenuity, a constant reminder of what we can achieve when we look beyond the horizon and launch something into orbit. And that's our look at satellites. What other what-if questions should we explore? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more fascinating dives into the world around us. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.